Hi everyone, good morning. Today's topic is PowerShell built-in help system. So in this module, we will look at the concepts of how PowerShell built-in help system works for us and how to update it. Okay, so first let us get started with PowerShell built-in help system. Let us try to understand what exactly the purpose of this help system. So basically, people used to struggle while learning new things, right? So the good part of PowerShell is a built-in PowerShell help system will help us to understand the commands and concepts. So PowerShell built-in help system helps us to uh, give some data to understand each and every concept in PowerShell and each and every command in PowerShell, and also gives us some additional information about each and every commandlet. So first, let us quickly go with a simple built-in help system commandlet execution. Then followed by we will look at the rest of the use cases of built-in help system. Right. So uh, as we are new to this concept, we have no idea of the commandlets related to built-in help system. So the one commandlet that we know is get command. So with the help of this commandlet, as we have discussed in the first video, uh, we know how to fetch the commandlets related to any of the given uh, keyword or a noun or a verb, right? So now I'm going with a noun search. The noun is help here, right? So we can see three commandlets belongs to help system. One is get help, save help, and update help. First, let us try to get the help per built-in commandlet. So a simple get hyphen help commandlet gives me the help files of any of the given commandlet followed by help commandlet. So for example, I'd like to get help system of get hyphen service commandlet. So this is how you can get a simple built-in help system of a given commandlet. So here, as you look at this commandlet, it's a plain commandlet. We are not passing any additional parameters followed by get help commandlet, right? So with the help of plain get help system, you will be able to see name of the commandlet, synopsis, syntax, description, remarks, and related links, right? So synopsis means a shorter description of a given commandlet. In short, there's one-liner abbreviation or one-liner explanation of this commandlet called get-service. So syntax part we have already seen with the help of get commandlet. The same syntax is coming here. For this commandlet, we have three parameter sets. Okay. So if you haven't seen that video, you can go back and check the commands video on PowerShell, right? And followed by that, with the help of description, you will be able to understand the complete information of the given commandlet. Even though if you are new to this, if you are not at all familiar with this particular topic or uh, concept of services, description will help us to understand what it does and how can you use this, right? And then followed by related links. In the related links, you can see some online link suggestions where you can directly go to docs.microsoft.portal. That will help you to understand the commandlet a bit more. And followed by, as you're asking for services, all services related commands are coming here as in the suggestions. The remarks will help you to understand how many other ways are there to use your help system. But now we are using help system without any additional parameter. You are just using help system with a simple commandlet followed by that. You are not giving any parameters. Now let us look at some additional information of any of the given commandlet. So if you look at it, we have multiple other ways to use your help system. Multiple other ways to use the help system. As you see here, here we have the help system, a simple help system. Followed by that, You can also call the help system and get the examples of a given commandlet, right? First, let us check the examples, right? So if you know the commandlet behavior, if you know what it does, okay, but if you are not sure how to run the commandlet, go ahead and look at the examples. The built-in help system gives you all possible examples with a given commandlet. So I can see 11 examples for a commandlet called get-service. As you see here, 11 examples for a given commandlet called get-service. So all possible ways are available here. Get all the services on the computer. To get all the services, you need to run this commandlet. Get the services with a such string. So whenever you like to see some of the services, you don't need to get all the services. You want to get services which starts with WMI, right? And you are going with wildcard entry. So this is a such string. And then you can also go and search the services on the basis of display name. So here you are searching the services on the basis of name. Here you are searching the services on the basis of display name. So like that, so on and so forth. You can see n number of examples. N number of examples are all are the unique examples. That means 11 different use cases of this particular commandlet is available, right? So if you are new to this, these examples will help you to understand the commandlet a bit more, right? And then the next one is hyphen detailed. So if you look at it, hyphen detailed is a parameter followed by get hyphen help, which help us to get the detailed information of a given commandlet. What all things you may get it in this help system. So instead of examples, go for hyphen detailed. So far you understood what is the purpose of the commandlet and what it does, and you have looked at some examples. If you look at the syntax, with the help of syntax, with the help of commands video, we understood how to understand the syntax. Even though you know how to understand the syntax, in the syntax part, we will come to know what is the mandatory parameter and what is optional parameter and what type of arguments each and every parameter will accept, so on and so forth. What are the switch parameters we have? All these things we understood with the help of syntax. Keeping that aside, do you really know the meaning of each and every parameter available here? What is the meaning of exclude? What is the meaning of dependent services? What is the meaning of input object? What's the meaning of name? What's the meaning of include, exclude, required services? So if we are new to any one of the command or any one of the concept, so this is pretty much difficult for us to understand all the meanings and purpose of each and every parameter. So in that kind of scenarios, what you can do is go with detailed help system. Detailed help system in this sense, go for get hyphen help commandlet followed by the commandlet that you would like to see the help system of, and then followed by hyphen details. So if you go with this, it gives you the information of name of the commandlet, synopsis, syntax, description. So far, these all things we have seen in simple help system. Followed by that, here I can see some additional information about parameters. This is not a description of the commandlet. This is a description of parameter. There is a parameter called hyphen computer name in this commandlet. So if you are not really sure what's the meaning of hyphen computer name in this particular case, you can come here and check the description of this particular parameter called computer name. It tells us that computer name gives you the information of services of a given computer. This computer name parameter also accepts multiple different computer name in each and every execution. Also, it tells you what is the default value. Default value is local computer. So that means, as we all know, if I don't pass any value to hyphen computer name parameter, the commandlet gives me the local computer services. So like whenever you are new to any one of the commandlet or any one of the parameter, you can come to detailed help system and look at the information of each and every parameter. Followed by that, the examples also comes with hyphen detailed parameter, right? So we're done with this and done with this. The next one is hyphen full. Next one is hyphen full. See, hyphen full is the maximum help system that you can get it from. Hyphen full is the maximum help system that you can get it from PowerShell. Belongs to any one of the given commandlet. So let us see how the hyphen full parameter works for us. When you go with get help system followed by the commandlet that you would like to get the help system of, and then you need to give hyphen full parameter. When you execute it, see there are many details. The maximum help system that you can get it from the built-in help system with the help of hyphen full. This is the maximum details. Here is the maximum details we can see from the built-in help system. Name of the commandlet, synopsis, syntax, description, followed by the parameters. See, in the detailed, in the previous execution, the previous option that we have in the help system, hyphen detailed, right? With the help of hyphen detailed, you are getting the description of each and every parameter. But here, in the hyphen full, you are getting the description of the parameter, followed by that some additional information of the parameters. Whether that parameter is required or not, is this parameter is positional parameter or not, do we have any default values for this parameter or not, whether this parameter accepts pipeline value or not, will this parameter accept a wildcard entries or not. So here we are getting some additional information apart from hyphen details. Here we're getting some additional information. That means we are getting each and every piece of information about a given commandlet. Not only for get hyphen service, in the place of get hyphen service, you can give anything. You can give anything. So based on your requirement, you can go ahead and pass the required commandlet and look at the help system of your commandlet, right? So here, parameters description, followed by that you can see some additional information, and then followed by inputs, outputs, notes, some additional notes, and followed by examples, right? So these all things that you can see from the full help system of a given commandlet. And we have two additional ways of getting help system. One is hyphen online and hyphen show window. These two are just like hyphen full. These two are just like hyphen full. The only difference is hyphen online will give you the help files in the online portal. Hyphen show window will give you the help system in a separate window. Let me go for online. So hyphen online gives you the help system in a separate window. As you see here, I'm getting the help system in a separate window for a given commandlet, get hyphen service. The thing here is, even though you are getting the help system in the online portal, you will get the same details like hyphen full. You'll get the same details: name of the commandlet, synopsis, syntax, description, examples, followed by parameters information, parameters description, and parameters information. So these are the things that you can get it from your built-in help system. So the same thing you can get it from hyphen online as well. Got it? And then followed by the last one we have in the help system is hyphen show window. Here also you'll get the same like hyphen full. The only difference is you'll get the help system in a separate page where you can easily navigate it to the appropriate keywords that you like to go for. For example, I'm looking for computer name parameter, so I can search it here. So this is not possible in your PowerShell screen. That's the only difference between your PowerShell screen help system and this show window help system. Apart from that, the details are same. Details are same. Here also you can look at synopsis, description, parameters, information, syntax, imports, outputs, notes, examples. So everything is common. Everything is just like hyphen full. The only difference is there you cannot fetch the data with a find option. Here you can go for a find option. So you can easily navigate it to the piece of information that you're looking for, right? So this is all about built-in help system. Okay, good. Built-in help system will help us to understand any of the given commandlet so that whenever I'm new to any of the new concept, I can easily go and ask for the help system, right? Good. What about the concepts? What about the concepts? So if I'm new to any one of the concept in PowerShell, there are many, like hundreds of concepts are available, right? If I'm new to any one of the concept, who will help us to understand the concepts? Again, the same built-in help system. Again, the same built-in help system will help us to understand the concept as well. For example, first you should know what all concepts are available in built-in help system. To get the list of concepts, you have to simply execute this command called get-help about underscore. So this will help you to get the list of concepts available in built-in help system. So these are the concepts available in built-in help system. These are the concepts available in built-in help system. For example, you are new to a concept called aliases. You would like to understand aliases topic, right? So in that scenario, once you know the topic name, you don't need to go for about underscore. You can directly go with the full name of the concept. So now you can simply execute get-help about underscore aliases so that you can see everything, every complete information related to aliases topic. So this is aliases topic, shorter description and longer description, and you can see the way of creating aliases, and there are multiple commandlets to work with aliases concept. Each and every commandlet behavior and purpose of each and every commandlet is also mentioned here, and uses of all the commandlets. Everything related to aliases are mentioned in the conceptual based help system, right? So this is the advantage of PowerShell. This is the advantage of PowerShell. So whenever you are new to any one of the concept or any one of the commandlet, the built-in help system itself helps you to understand everything. You don't need to go for the browser, or you don't need to ask anyone else, right? The next thing here is, so how this help system is coming up to you, how this help system is coming to you. So whenever you are installing an operating system, by default, the operating system comes up with some set of limited commandlets, set of limited commandlets. For example, you will get 1,000 to 2,000 commandlets maybe, right? So how many commandlets you may get it? Like for example, 2,000 commandlets you will get from the operating system. When you get 2,000 commandlets, so if you are using these 2,000 commandlets on daily basis, well and fine. You'll get the help system by default when you are installing the operating system. Followed by that, maybe after some days, you may need to update the help system. But what about the commandlet that you are keep on adding? So for now on my mission, I have 10,000 commandlets. 10,000 commandlets. So whenever you are adding, keep on adding new set of commandlets, who will help us to understand the uh, or get the help system? How can you get the help system of a new set of commandlets that you are adding into your PowerShell? So to get the latest files of help help system, you have to update your help system on regular intervals. That may be weekly basis or bi-weekly or monthly, can be anything, but you have to update your help system on regular basis. Let's an example. So how to update the help system? It's very simple. there is a command called update-help. So when you simply run update-help, this will help us to understand, sorry, this will help us to update the help files of all the modules I have installed on my computer. All the modules I have installed on my computer. So when you simply execute this commandlet, it requires an internet connection. With the help of internet, it will go and update the help files for all the modules. So let's wait for the message. Yeah, as you see, there is a verbose message is populating here. The updation of help system is happening for each and every module by module, right? So this is how you can easily update the help system for all the modules that you have. So this commandlet will take some time. Let me stop this in right. So this is how you can simply execute the help system. So when you're this is how you can simply update the help system. When you updating the help system, what exactly happens? Your machine will be connected to Microsoft Docs page. From there, updated help files will be downloaded to your local computer. So whenever you are using get-help commandlet, you will get the help system from your local files. So this is what happens when you update the help system. So when you do not have the internet connection, how to update the help system? For example, I have two computers. This is my first computer with internet connection. This is second computer which doesn't which is not connected to the internet. This is connected to internet and this is not connected to internet. So in that scenario, what you can do is you can update the help system here. Followed by that, you can save the help system in the form of visible files. So there is a command called save-help. So that will save the help system in the given location in the form of files. So you can transfer these files to the computer where you do not have the internet connection. From here, you can go for update-help. So when you simply run update-help, this requires internet connection. That's the reason, as this computer doesn't have the internet connection, go with source path. So there is an option called source path. If you give the path of the saved files, so on the second computer, updating help system is possible with the help of saved files, where you just need to mention source path. You can copy paste these files into the second computer, and from here you can update the help system with the help of source path. If you look at it, there is a parameter called source path. Got it? So this is how you can update the help system, even though if you do not have the internet connection for your computer. So this is all about help system topic. Thank you all for watching this. If you have any questions, please comment. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.